Did it just approach South Acton? Oh, massive tag with Arlington Street to be activated in a minute soon. About 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think she was feeling so much better when she made that decision. Hello.
That's why I want to hurry up. Okay, well, the back to activate. Whatever. We're gonna give these mechanics. Wide video. Yes. Yeah, fine. Yeah, unfortunately, this crossing does not bolt horn here. Sorry. I think the mechanic was about to activate. Oh, yep, I knew the mechanic was activating. The mechanic was activating. That's Wachusett line. It is Wachusett line. What is that? Nav dot? It's a nav dot. Masdot. Yeah, it was Masdot. So. I hear it's one.